back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna do a really special video. I was super excited to try the products that I'm gonna try today in front of the camera because it's gonna be the first time I'm doing this, and second is the first time I'm trying these products, and I never try it. I saw a lot of videos on YouTube and Instagram about it, so I'm super excited. And I'm so excited to see if it's gonna work and if I'm going to be able to use them in the right way and to create an amazing look. Okay, I'm gonna start with this video. I'm not gonna talk anymore, and let's see. So the first product I'm gonna use today is from Cream Shop, and this is the Hello Kitty cute collection they sent me, and these are under eye patches. Okay, I'm gonna open this. Okay, now it's time for my eyebrows, and I love to use Precisely from Benefit. This is my brow pencil, and this is in 4.5. I just fill them a little bit more, and there we go. Let's see. I'm gonna use one that I am obsessed with lately. This is the Celestial Thunder from Dominique Cosmetics. I love the colors, it's so beautiful. You can see it here. Look at that. The first color I'm gonna apply is a Lunar Eclipse over here. Hold on, I have to clean my brush because it's kind of dirty. I'm gonna use this brush color swap pack that I love. It's so amazing. I'm gonna continue now with Storm Dust, and I'm gonna apply it in the outer corner of my eyelid. So now I'm gonna do my face. I'm gonna take my eye patches out. They are so dry. So I already applied my foundation, my concealer, bronzer, and blush. And right now I'm gonna continue doing my eyes. But we are gonna use the product that I'm so excited about. It's over here. So this is, look at that. This is from Moshi Lash, and these are magnetic eyelashes. So here we have the magnetic eyeliner, and we have the eyelashes that we are gonna use with it. So I'm gonna open them, and you can see them over here. I'm super excited, and it comes with the instructions like how to use them, how to apply everything. Shake the eyeliner before use. Second, apply the eyeliner 2 or 3 times and leave it to dry for 1 minute. Apply the magnetic lashes onto your lash line. So, but I'm gonna go closer so you can see it better here. I'm freaking out. I don't know how this is gonna turn out. To be honest, I'm so scared. Okay, so look at the pencil over here. This is so big. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this another liquid eyeliner, but I'm just gonna do the wig with it, and then I'm gonna do the rest with the one from Moshi Lash. I did the wig already. Okay, here we go. So I just did that part with a regular pointy eyeliner. And now I'm gonna use the one from Moshi Lash. Almost there. So I'm gonna let it dry, and it says apply 2 or 3 times. Okay, I think we are cool with that. And now I'm gonna apply a second part. Just let it dry for a minute, and I'm just gonna wait. I'm scared to see if this is gonna work. I'm so excited, guys. So now I'm gonna take my eyelash, and this is the right one. So I'm gonna take this one out over here, and I'm gonna go from the... Oh, this is easy peasy lemon squeezy. Look, I'm showing you, I'm not using any glue on the eyelashes. Look over here, the magnetic things, you see them? So I'm not using like anything. Guys, this is the moment of truth. I'm so excited. So, are you excited? I am. Oh my god! Guys, this is so amazing! I'm gonna use this like every day. Guys, I am in love with this. This is the best thing ever. Oh my god, this is so easy. You don't have to worry about anything, like to wait until the glue is perfectly dry, or if you are gonna mess up your eye with the glue, the eyeshadow and everything. Like, this is so amazing. Like, I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna take it off. Look at that, it's so easy to take off. Oh my god, I'm loving it so much. Okay, I'm gonna go and put it again, and there it is. Look at that, it's so easy, and it's there. Like, I didn't use any glue, I didn't use anything, and it's there, guys. I love it. This is so amazing. Look at that. I have my eyelashes on point. I love them so much. Okay guys, so I am ready. This is so amazing how they look. They don't feel sticky, they don't feel weird. Like, I feel like normal, like I am wearing eyelashes. This is a really important thing that I want to tell you. Normally, I have watery eyes, and when I apply my lashes, the glue in the inner corner is kind of crazy, so it starts like super sticky, and it bothers me a lot when that happens. This is great because I'm not feeling that itchiness in the inner corner of my eyes right now. It's like so natural, so easy to put them on and take them off. They are like absolutely amazing. I am so happy that I received this gift from Moshi Lash. Thank you so much. I remember that they told me like, hey, you are gonna love this, because honestly I try the magnetic eyelashes, the ones that you put on the top and in the bottom, and to be honest, I am a mess with those eyelashes. I am not saying they are bad, no, it's that I don't have the skills to put them on. So that's why I never try them on camera. I never like show them to you, to how to use them, because I am not good at all with them. But with this is really great. I am loving it so much. It's so easy, and you don't need any skills with it. Oh, maybe like in the eyeliner, but that's it. Like, you can figure it out. Guys, so that was the video for today. I'm so happy with the results and the products that I received. I have to say, this is not a pay video, because some of you are gonna say, hey, you are doing this because they are paying you. No way. Like, seriously, this is a real review about the product that I received as a gift. And you know that when I receive products that I am in love with, I share it with you guys, and that's what I did today. I really love it. I'm gonna try to leave the link down here. I'm gonna try to figure out where you can find them. Yeah, that was it for today. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you have like products you heard about and you want me to try them, just let me know on the comment section, and I will try to find them out, buy them, and try them on. But that's it for today. I really hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Don't forget to visit me on my Instagram and my Facebook page, and subscribe right here on my YouTube channel. I love you so much, guys, and I hope you really like this. Bye!